Welcome. Take a moment to get comfortable and take a few deep breaths. Relax, close your eyes, and prepare yourself for a journey away from struggle into calm. You find yourself on a magnificent mountain. The icy wind whips against you, and you struggle against it. Hold onto the mountain edge for support. Each step feels fraught with danger as your footing feels unsure against the snow-laden path. You find yourself thinking about your own life and its difficulties, challenges and trials, and how sometimes you wish you had a sanctuary from them. Storm clouds move towards you, and you realize you need to find shelter. There is a gap in the rock. You see light through the gap and decide to slip through. The rocks are tight against you. It opens up into a beautiful garden. Suddenly, warmth touches your skin and you are protected from the outside elements. There is an energy here, a feeling of eternal strength and peace mingled with the power of nature. It's both exhilarating and calming together. You feel it wrap you in its protection. You hear water tumbling over rocks in the distance. As you walk, you look for the source. The garden opens to a large river flowing through the center. Energy emanates from it. You make your way through the rocks and sit near the water on a rock and watch the water tumble and pulsate. The sound of the water flowing lulls you into a sense of calm state. You find peace here in this garden sanctuary, cocooned from the outside world by the mountain. You relax and enjoy the peace. Your body becomes more and more relaxed, and you are at one with this beautiful garden. As your troubles drift away, you realize you are capable of dealing with all the swirling waters of your life, and that you, like the rock, are seated in the center, the hub, and are eternal and strong, and the waters of life will ebb and flow, tumble and dance, but you are calm, strong, and centered. With this realization, you feel your tensions and strains start to melt away and feel protected and able to relax. You allow yourself to enjoy the peace and tranquility of this beautiful space a while. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Breathe deeply and stretch your whole body. You are peaceful and calm and ready to continue your day. You can return to this garden sanctuary any time that you need to during your day. I hope that you enjoyed this meditation. Please share any thoughts you had in the comments below and like. Thank you. Enjoy your day.